In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about using IronPDF in C# to change PDF pages into pictures. It's like magic, but with code. So first thing you want to do is make sure the IronPDF is installed in the project, and if it's not there, that's an easy fix. Just use the NuGet package manager and install it. I've already done this part, so we're just going to jump into the program.cs file and check out all the fun stuff. All right. So at the top, include the IronPDF using a simple line of code. Then we're going to render a PDF document, and we'll use the Chrome PDF render class to convert HTML code to pixel-perfect PDFs. Then we use the render URL as PDF method and input the web address. And for this example, we're going to be using the Wikipedia main page for this example. To rasterize the image, we use the rasterize to image files. In the first argument, we give names to the images, and this will save each PDF page to individual images. And then you can change things up. We add more arguments to the rasterize to image files method. And here we can pick specific pages, set image size, format, and make things clearer with DPI. All right, so let's check out the magic of IronPDF. We're going to run the program and wait for the code to do its thing. All right, it's done processing, so we'll go to the appropriate folder where we have the images saved. And you'll see the PDF images. We'll open those up, and you compare the original URL and the PDF document. And IronPDF does the job perfectly. So this is cool. You can do a lot of cool stuff now, like save web content or make quick pick previews from PDFs. It's really up to you. But of course, don't stop there. IronPDF is a super versatile library with almost all the PDF-related tasks and code examples that you need. All right, we hope this tutorial was helpful. And as always, we ask that you like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more tutorials and videos from Iron Software. And of course, if you haven't tried it out yet, you need to. There's a link in the description below, and we have a trial subscription where you can check it out yourself.